Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Dyson SV14 won't pick up properly, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to a clogged filter or a malfunctioning trigger, which can affect the vacuum's suction power. If not addressed promptly, this can lead to reduced efficiency and potentially costly repairs. To fix this issue, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement trigger, and a cloth for cleaning. First, ensure your Dyson SV14 is turned off and unplugged. Begin by removing the dirt bin by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, placing them in a safe location. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the casing to gain access to the internal components. Be cautious not to force it, as there are clips that may hold it in place. Now, look for the trigger mechanism. It's usually situated near the top of the handle. Give it a gentle wiggle to see if it's loose or damaged. If it appears to be defective, disconnect any cables attached to it, taking note of where each one connects. When you've successfully removed the faulty trigger, take your replacement part and carefully connect it to the cables, ensuring they fit snugly. Before reassembling, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the unit with your cloth. This will help ensure optimal performance once the vacuum is back together. Now, align the casing back into place, ensuring that all clips are secure. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them just enough to hold the casing without stripping the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back together, plug in your Dyson SV14 and test the suction. If the vacuum picks up properly, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose. Also, try to avoid vacuuming up large debris that could cause clogs. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.